must be the only human in this valley. Yeah. I wish that was scripted. So there's a hidden waterfall in Shropshire. Let's go find it. We can't go in the normal exploration vehicle because it's doing that thing that Land Rovers do. So let's take the van instead. Let's see if we can find it. I don't know whether it's hidden, whether it exists, whether it doesn't. But I've been owing this dog here, Katie, a long walk for a while because we're doing lots of work. So worst case, we just go for a walk. Cool, so the weather's changed. It's no longer summer, it's now Welsh. So we've basically got to, it's called the Midland Gliding Club. Obviously they don't go on the weekend because they'll be busy with people gliding. And then we're going to walk down there. Who knows if we're going to find a waterfall? And who knows if we can swim. So I don't know if you can see it just down there. Basically the bog of the Longmynd is draining all together. Starting the top of Minton Back. It's quite cool. Difficult to see how that can turn into a waterfall that we can swim in, but we'll see. Being one of the best written about mountain bike single tracks that I know of, just got to keep an eye behind us because people are likely to be flying along. You can see it on the track. It does look fun though. Look at that corner. Just starting to get a bit of flow, look. There, look. That's the waterfall. I don't think I could get my little toe in that. I don't want to doubt the process, but that river just isn't big enough still. I can't see how it's going to get big enough between here and the bottom. We are only in England and hills are quite small, so. I mean, it's certainly wet enough, so if there is a waterfall, it's definitely going to be falling. Well, watering or wet. I mean, did you know we had hills like this in Shropshire? Just 20 minutes drive from Shrewsbury. No waterfalls yet though. This river's not getting bigger and we're not far off the bottom, but I've just been checking the map. Don't shoot me for using the phone map, but as we're building an app it's only fair. If you look there, I don't know if you can see the red dot where we are, just there, and then just there it says waterfall. I'm not a betting person, but if I was, I'd put money on that being more likely, if they're going to put it on a map, then surely it's more likely to be there. Anyway, still. I think we've failed. We're at the bottom. Like civilization. No waterfall. Check out this Land Rover though. Oh, yes. Isn't that the best thing you've seen all week? I bet a WD-40 and that would run. So when we got to some proper signal there, I did a bit of searching and I found the name was Oakley Mill Waterfall. And then when you zoom in on that map, it goes to Oakley Mill Waterfall. So I think we found it. Well, no, but I think we've got a better chance of finding it than being in completely the wrong valley like we were before. Although there's no marking of this path on the map. It's definitely there. I feel like it's there for a reason. You know, that one I think is clearly a mountain bike track. But this one, it's just got waterfall written all over it, hasn't it? Look, almost says waterfall. Hieroglyphics. Well, I can hear flowing water. There's not much. Ooh, can I see a waterfall? I can. That can't be it, can it? Can that be it? Oh no. I think that's it, you know. Well, let's hope that it's perspective from this height, because he can't swim in that. You can't even see it on the GoPro, can you? No. Yeah. I wish that was scripted. Well, we set out to go to a waterfall, and we're going to make it to that waterfall. Just in between us and the waterfall is that down there. It's a two-way journey, isn't it? Because once you get in that, you've got to get out as well. Knew it. There is a path down there. Just not here. There it is though. It is bigger than it looked like. It's got a tree in it and everything. Is it very deep? I don't know. Still don't know. Agile as a mountain goat. They ate 1,000 burgers. Spiky bush. Right, well, I was going to do a nice drone shot, but it's not working, so we're not. really nice actually. It was when I saw it from the top of the hill, I was like, God, is it even worth going down? What was I thinking? Of course it was worth going down. That pool in the middle, I don't know, it's probably 3.5 foot deep. Yeah, deep enough to sit there and come up to about your shoulders. You can go, and it's a bit difficult to put your head under the waterfall, but you can do if you really wanted to, I suppose. Yeah, what a place. I mean, yeah, it's just for the more adventurous dipper, I would say that is, because it is quite slippy. I mean, you could easily end up in trouble. Like, I could have slipped down that bank. I mean, look at the height. Easily a slip down there and need a mountain rescue, so just be careful when you're doing it. But yeah, Oakley Mill Waterfall, that's good. Now we're going to get back to the van. So all that walk you saw before, we're going to do that. And she looks pretty pooped, so I wouldn't be surprised if I end up having to carry her on my shoulders. Who am I kidding, she's fitter than me. Cool, well, I think at the filming of this I have 4 subscribers. So if you fancy making me feel a little bit better and enjoy that beer even more later on, yeah.